Hello, I am going to talk you through logging into the AATCC member portal if you wish to use the EBSCO Textile Technology Complete Research Database. First, you're going to www.aatcc.org to get to the AATCC website, and then click on Member Portal to reach the members website and log in. I had logged out, but let me log in again. All right, I'm logging in. And now that I've logged in, I can click on Article Archive. And you will see that the EBSCO Textile Technology Complete database has changed their interface. So we have to log in separately to Textile Technology Complete, but that's fairly straightforward. I like to right click on this link, and you're going to have to sign in over here. Ignore this top part. It's down here that you need to sign in, and you'll see the user ID is provided for you here. I like to copy and paste, and then the password. You'll need the password. I also copy that. And excuse me, continue here and paste. And so you can sign in and search as usual. If you want the advanced search, it's over here. For more ways you can limit your searches. And if you would like to go ahead and create my EBSCO account, it's free and it allows you to save your searches, save your search results, create alerts for yourself, and forward the results of your search to other people. But you certainly don't need to create an account to use the search engine. I hope this has been helpful, and good luck with your searches.